Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Thursday, August 15. Back-to-school plans are in full gear, with the Education Ministry reporting that tuition and maintenance funds will be uploaded to school accounts by the end of this week.
The janitorial grants have already been uploaded into the institution's accounts, and so we expect that as of Friday of this week, all schools will have the available funds to do the necessary preparation that would be left to be done.
The ministry's chief education officer made the announcement during a JIS think tank session on Wednesday. Scores of unemployed teachers are on track to find meaningful employment after the Education Ministry's two-day job fair, which wrapped up at its Heroes Circle headquarters Wednesday. The ministry says approximately 1,000 initial interviews were facilitated between potential employers and employees, with several organizations requesting resumes. The Jamaica Defense Force led the way in registering about 250 persons over the two-day period, followed by the education sector, which assessed approximately 200 job seekers. Two financial sector companies interviewed some 100 persons, while resort chain operator Sandals Group made firm job offers to some 50 teachers. Several public sector organizations, such as the Jamaica Foundation for Lifelong Learning, the Registrar General's Department, as well as the Early Childhood Commission, also conducted assessments of potential employees. Meanwhile, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites has agreed to establish a data bank within the ministry to notify unemployed educators about teaching vacancies. There is a targeted effort in progress to prepare students to meet the needs of the Jamaica Global Logistics Hub initiative, set to be established by 2015. The Ministries of Education and Industry, Investment and Commerce, along with other key stakeholders, are collaborating to see this happen. Chief Education Officer Grace McLean says the partners are revising the school curriculum to include subject matters relevant to the logistics industry, including packaging, merchandising, call center and contact operations.
We have already started to introduce those within our school system. It is important, however, that there is a strategic focus as it relates to the logistics hub and of course the Panama Canal, so that we focus on the skills that are needed most. Once we are provided with the overall information, our system is so designed now, especially for the technical and vocational areas, where the curriculum can be easily developed through the HeartTrust NT and it can be readily implemented.
The Global Logistics Hub is anticipated to generate career opportunities for unskilled, skilled and highly skilled professionals in a number of industries. Property tax collection in the corporate area has risen by 169% since April 1 this year when compared to the figure for the corresponding period last year. Property taxes are mainly used for the maintenance of community amenities. Kingston's Mayor, Senator Angela Brown-Burke, says the increased collection was achieved even as the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation worked out options for individuals who found it difficult to pay.
Yes, we know that the rates were increased. Yes, we know that there are some individuals who have been finding it difficult. We have been operating this discretionary relief committee where individuals who have a case to make have made it, and we have been granting those waivers.
Senator Brown-Burke was addressing the KSAC's council meeting on Tuesday, during which Councillor Beverly Prince was officially sworn in after winning the recent by-election in the Cassia Park division of the KSAC. The mayor pointed out that targets have been set for the 2013-2014 fiscal year, and a compliance team has once again been deployed to focus on issues of enforcement and revenue generation. And finally, as the government continues to make housing available to citizens across the country, the Housing Agency of Jamaica says construction will begin shortly on its Burnett Lodge development in St. Catherine. The development comprises a mix of 1,583 studio and one-bedroom units, with starting costs of $4 million for the studios and $4.9 million for the one-bedroom units. Phases 1 and 2 should be completed by March 2014, with work to be completed on phases 3 to 5 in May 2016. Members of the public, including Housing Minister Dr. Morris Guy, were treated to model impressions of the units Wednesday as the HAJ hosted an open house day at its offices. Prospective buyers were able to view the layout of the scheme, see first-hand models of the units and provisional areas for expansion, as well as make purchasing arrangements. For more details on the units, persons can contact the Housing Agency of Jamaica's sales department. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.